And I'm Ryan, and I'm coming back to you. And you might say to yourself, Ryan, this is way too many videos in one day. You're a stinking alcoholic. Well, first of all, you're correct. I'm drinking Knob Creek right now. Single barrel. Boom. It is delicious. Oh, and my dog's going to save me. There he is, Simon. Protect me, buddy. Anyway, you might say to yourself, Ryan, that way too many videos to post in one day about whiskey and washers because you're drinking every time. And you're right, I am. And I can't help myself. What can I say? This is going to be my nightcap, though. I promise. No more videos this evening. If you're lucky. But I'm going to finish off this last glass of Knob Creek single barrel. Throw some washers. And hopefully you'll have a good time watching me do all those things. Talk about just whatever crazy crap comes to mind. And yeah, turn off your anti-gravity machine because these were going right in the middle. Oh, goodness sakes. Stay on there. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's right. It's been a fantastic day. I've had a great time. I got 2 in. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and that guy right there gives me 11. Starting off with 11 points. Quite a few whiskeys in today. I mean, well, be factual correct. Quite a few bourbons in today. Finished off my bottle of Rowan's Creek. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed it immensely. Now I'm on to my Knob Creek Single Barrel Reserve. Oh, it is fantastic as well. And the wind's picked up, Mother Nature. Not enjoying what I'm doing out here today. But I've enjoyed her. Goodness sakes, so good. Oh my. That is tough to beat flavor-wise. Goodness sakes. Yeah, I'm going to have to adjust right here. Wind's picked up. Oh, got to be consistent. Nope. There, maybe. After all that, it took me 9 washers to figure it out. Oh, that's unfortunate. But you got to play with the elements, that's right. Oh, the elements told me, yeah, you get 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Oh. Elementary, my dear Watson, it crushed me. 17 points after... Nope. Hold on. After 18 washers. Yep, that's the proof right there. Ooh, a lot short. Coming up short and left. Oh. Had the wind pushing it that way. Plus my spin, my natural throw, pushing it that way. Too much pushing. Oh well. 3, 6, 9. I got my 9 washers. Oh. And yeah, I've probably had way too many bourbons today, but you know what? That doesn't mean good washers aren't going to be thrown. And hopefully I can prove it. Not yet, though. There it is. 1 in. 2 in. Goodness sakes. I think more hits the fence than went in the middle. All right, I'm at 17 points so far, 18 washers in. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 there. Excuse me, 10 points. 17, 27 points, 27 washers in. Yep, my JDT caddy's even slumping over a little bit. It knows how much I've drank today. Oh, and it's been a decent amount. Let me pick up all these ones out here by the fence. Yeah. Not a good round. 10 points, but 3 of them damn near went off the property. Oh my goodness. That's all right. Let's see here. 3, 6, 9. I got all my washers right there. Let's see if I can knock a few in the middle. Yeah, averaging a point a washer so far. 27 washers in, 27 points. Oh, the Knob Creek loving. Oh, just loving it. Oh my goodness. I like throwing it in the middle too. That's 1 in, 1 on. 2 on. 3 on. 6 points right now. Oh my. 7. 7. Go in. God, the last one again. Goodness sakes. Got figured out before the last throw of the damn session. 2 in. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 points. That one is not on. We'll give you a little zoom out. We'll lift the board. Yeah, not on there. All right. 10 points. Puts me at 37. That's 37. 36 washers thrown. Oh yeah. Still at this alcohol level, I'm still keeping pace of at least 1 point per washer thrown. That's right. And I only need 13 points on this round. God, hopefully I can pull that off. There you go. There's 9 of them. It's a weird way to look at 9 washers, but you know what? You're welcome. You are welcome. All right. So I'm pretty confident. Let me get you zoomed all the way in. Look at that. Dead center. I need 13 points here. So I'm going to need at least 4 in. That's 1 in. 1 in, 1 on. 2 in. That's 7 points. 11. Oh, 12. Wait a minute. 3 in, 2 on. I got 11. 11 points right now. And then, don't even hit the board. Don't even hit the board. Really? Oh, finally. Back to the middle. Back to the middle. Ooh, I got there. That's right. That's right. I have 37 points right there. See it? 37. So I need 13. Oh, did I come up with 13? Oh, I sure did. There's 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, looks like 15. That finishes it off. That was 45 washers. That wasn't bad. This many bourbons into a lovely Monday. Count all those. 4, 8, 9. Yep, got all the washers. And just absolute perfect timing. Finishing off my glass of Knob Creek single barrel 9-year. Oh, it's been delicious. Actually, here comes the bottle. That's right. That was my nightcap this evening, so hopefully you caught all these Monday just beautiful whiskey and washer day shows. And God, you kind of better hope I don't do any more, because I've had quite a bit to drink today. It's been fun. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Yeah, and maybe you'll see me back. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. We'll find out. As always, thanks for watching Whiskey and Washers. I'm Ryan, and we will see you next time.